Welcome back to my class on the maneuvering system. In the last class we have shown the difference between the olden days, what is going on in the maneuvering, how the maneuvering used to be and what is happening right now. In this class we will start with the basic layout of the maneuvering system. Basic layout means what all things are being connected here, what are the major areas through which the maneuvering system is connecting. For example, we have a bridge. A bridge is a place from which the you can start, stop the engine, or you can do all the function. Same function you can do from the ECR. Then we have an emergency console. Emergency console is next to the main engine. In case you are not able to start from bridge, you are not able to start from engine control room, there is a provision given that you can start locally near to the engine. So we have a selector switch. Either you can take this entire thing can be called as remote. This entire thing is a remote. This is local, emergency or local. This is a select over switch, either this or this, right?
Are your promotions slow? Not getting the respect that you deserve on board ship? If you are a marine engineer who is looking for faster promotions and earning respect on ship, then don't worry, Merchant Navy Decoded has your back. Introducing excellence packages for every rank now. You want to learn about purifiers, compressors, electronics, automation, MEGI engines, RT Flex, ME engines. Don't worry, we are there. Learn anytime, online, offline, whether you are on land or on board ship. Engineers who invest on upgrading themselves, they lead. What are you waiting for? Go to the description box and you will find different ranks, different excellence packages. Start investing now. Jai Mata.
Now this maneuvering system is connected with the air starting system, exhaust valve closing, reversing system. Most of the two-stroke marine diesel engine are reversible in nature. Yes, there are some systems with the controllable pitch propeller, but that they also have given a they can also reverse. If you have totally electric system, then it's a separate thing, okay, but most of the engine can reverse. Then you have a safety system. Yes, when you are running such a big ship, you need a lot of safeties because you don't need any kind of accident to happen. For example, if you if there suppose something is malfunctioning and you immediately want to stop the engine, so we have a sort of emergency stops. Or suppose your turning gear is engaged and you don't want to start the engine when the turning gear is engaged. Imagine if the turning gear is engaged and engine is started somehow, you will have a catastrophe. You will have a excessive damage to the engine and other parts associated with it. So yes, we have lot of safety systems. So maneuvering system is trying to cater with all these areas. Okay, and you have seen a glimpse of the pneumatic chart. So it is connecting all the major system with the help of those pneumatic pipelines and circuits. Okay.
So,
yes, please.
sir, you told that from bridge and from ECR also we can control the maneuverings. But sir, if someone given command from bridge ahead, and that particular time only from ECR someone given for astern, so how it will manage there?
Ah, very nice. You see, these I have shown you as inline, right? You want to say if somebody has given a command from the bridge as astern and a control from the head, it is reverse. First of all, it is not possible. This ECR, engine control room, has the master controller. This is the master controller. So this has a switch, or we can say lever, that do you want to give control to bridge or want to keep with the ECR. If you give command to the ECR to the bridge, then only this gets activated, and from here it will be nothing.
Okay, sir.
Command will be totally shifted over here. You can take back control, then from the bridge it cannot be started. So there is a fail-safe system. Okay. And then there's this is a separate switchover option which is near to the emergency console. You can, if you switch it over here, then all remote will be blocked, only this will be gets activated, right? So if you say if you want to start from bridge, First of all, this switchover switch should be for the remote, and from ECR it should be to the bridge. Then only it will start from the bridge.
Okay, sir.
There can never be contradiction of communication. Good. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Shall we move ahead? Basic layout. See, maneuvering system, as I told you, looks complicated. But we'll try to break down into small sections. Let us divide it into two major parts: systems connected and parts inside the system. System connected and parts of the system. On my right hand side, it is what it is written: what all systems which are connected with the maneuvering diagram, or we can say how many lives it is touching. Like it is going, has something to do with the main with the fuel regulation, or something to do with the safety, something to do with the reversing, something to do with the air starting distributor. So these are broad areas through which this set of pneumatic signals are communicating. So on my right hand side is the system connected, on my left hand side are the parts inside the maneuvering system which will help maneuvering system to work properly. So I am dividing into two separate parts. So as you can see, maneuvering system is connected with the fuel control system, with the starting air system, control air system, exhaust valve closing system, safety system. It is connected with the ECR, bridge, emergency console, which we have just seen a while back. ECR, bridge, ECR, emergency. And these are the systems which I was just discussing with you about, right? So these are the areas through which maneuvering system is communicating with the outside environment. On my right hand side are the parts which actually forms the maneuvering system. For example, will be various types of direction control valves. What is direction control valve? We will be seeing in our next videos. Don't worry, we will be discussing more in details about its function and classification. But right now I am just naming the part that it is made of valve actuators, flow reducers, pressure transmitter, limit switches, various sensors. So all these parts make up the entire maneuvering diagram or system. Okay? Fair enough? So if I say systems, okay, you see, fuel reversing system, right? Control air, from here the control air is coming, okay? You see here is the ECR control, okay? Here is engine console. Some part of safety system here, some part of safety system in this line. It is connected with the exhaust valve. It is connected with the exhaust valve closing. So you can see so many systems, so many and parts. Like these, I am talking about these parts. This direction control valves, actuators, right? Sensors. Apart from that, we have some reducers. I think reducer is here. Just a minute. We have a flow reducer over here, which regulate how slowly the air will be vented. We'll come more into this one. Okay. Then what? Like here we have alarm system as well. You see, if there is a pressure will drop over here. a pressure drops over here about the control air pressure or something, it will immediately give a alarm to the control room. So these are the all the parts and which we will be discussing in detail what all these parts are about. So divided into two parts, system connected and individual parts. Okay. With this I conclude our current chapter, and more we will see in details about the systems in an upcoming chapter. Thank you so much.